Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another lovely Wednesday. I know I missed last week, and I've already started off this whole year kind of rough. We've had the flu and I've been sick already just from the bat, so that is why there is a content delay. And if you follow me on Instagram, you would know this already. The day is starting to look real beautiful. So currently on our morning commute, and like I said, we're just starting off the day. I still have to wake up. I'm like literally maybe at like 50% right now, and definitely need something in order to start my day, not energy. I've been staying away from energy drinks. I've been safe with that, but I need some nutrition. That's what I need. This M3 didn't want the sauce. I'm not gonna lie, morning traffic sucks. So is shifting and filming. We're gonna like transform the day into, we're gonna flip it to the next page when things are a little bit more exciting. I've had something in my system and I'm a lot more awake, and the day has passed through quite a bit. Because there's a lot I want to explain to you guys that's kind of upcoming to the channel, and then what are the next steps with the car, because we're not like finished. Of course, like a build's never finished, but I'm kind of just like stationed at the moment. But we'll explain. Let's flip to an exciting part of the day. All right, we're already halfway through the day. A lot more exciting. Had some energy now, and I just want to explain a few things to you guys. Welcome back. Happy New Year's, guys. We are now in 2020. It's such a crazy number to like think about. It's a futuristic number. So with the channel, what's going on, guys? Civic Si, as you guys already know, last year was a super rough year. Oh my gosh, we blew the engine, we blew the trans, we got it all fixed now. Trans may have a chance of breaking again, who knows, but I am not trying to get back into that field right now. The expectation for 2020 is to actually make it to events this year and bring the car, not just myself. So that is my goal. I'm gonna like sit kind of where the car's at right now. There are some modifications that we're gonna need, like an oil catch can, which is, I do not know why I've been so delayed on getting that, but that is gonna be one of the mods we need. Second, more of like, I guess, aesthetic mods. I want to change out the steering wheel. I want to give it that there's one that I've seen online which is kind of sick, because I love the old school where you know, the quick release ones. Downside with those, you lose your buttons, and in this car especially, these buttons are pretty important, so I kind of don't want to lose that. But somebody did make a quick release that allows you to still utilize the buttons, and it actually doesn't even look that bad. I'll pop a picture right here. So I've seen that, but it's like from a Japanese company or something, and I try to communicate to them, I try to DM them, but they haven't replied back. So if anybody knows where I can get the steering wheel, comment it in the section below, please. I'm trying to figure out how I can get my hands on this. I just think it's very different, but it's very race-like, and I like that. Second, real quick, because a lot of people were like so like pissed, I think, or like I got hosed really bad about my interior, and I think I kind of talked about it in the video before this. It's all back in, guys. I don't know if you can see, all the seats are back in. I put the center console back in. All right, I put it all back in for you guys. So I know there was a lot of hate, and a lot of people were like, man, you ruined the car. I mean, I put it in personally because I was tired of the noise, but again, guys, I did it as a driver experience for myself, and just to see the difference in weight too. So there was quite a big difference. It's mainly just those two back seats. or the two components of it. And I maybe have lost like 100 pounds, which makes quite a difference. But I put everything back. Everything's back in here. I'm pretty sure you guys have already seen that too as I've been recording. But it's all in there. Okay, I don't want to hear any hose comments anymore about it. All right, I put it back, guys. Jeez, you guys are like hosing me so bad on that. Third, merchandise. This year I really want to focus on the business aspect of my channel. As far as merchandise, I've always, a goal of mine was to create a clothing line, and we've established the logo of the Frontpipe logo, which a lot of you guys actually like, so I'm really glad. And I thought my logo doesn't really like pertain to just cars, you know, it's a very universal logo, and there's a whole bigger meaning that I'm trying to put behind just my name in general. But I thought, how sick would it be to have that like on a sweatshirt or a shirt or like sweatpants or even a hat or a backpack, the Frontpipe pack, you know? Yeah, I made pictures of it. So there are some ideas that I have, which I'll go ahead and shoot some pictures here for you guys to check out. And I'm working on making that a thing. It seems on Instagram you guys really like it, and a few people said that they are interested in getting it. I don't know, I'm working it out. I'm working with a bunch of companies and just trying to see what my options are, and I want to make sure the not only are you guys getting just, you know, a sweater or something, because I know, you know, you're buying this to help support me, but at the same time I want to make sure it's quality coming to you guys. So it seems that a big thing is Champion this year, or not this year, but Champion has been a big clothing brand, so I'm kind of collaborating with Champion's like line of clothing, and kind of, you know, utilizing the Champion material to make my merchandise. I think that'd be pretty cool. You guys get a rep Champion and you guys get a rep me. On top of that, you know, it's not just like an off brand, but it's like, it's a brand, if that makes sense. So I don't know, that's just an idea. Let me know what you guys think as well in the comment section below. And then what else is there? I'm gonna try and like change things up with the channel. You know, I'm gonna try and work better on content. You know, content creating is, I'm not gonna lie, probably the most difficult thing to like be a creator. It takes a lot of work. It's not as easy as people think. You know, I gotta entertain you guys and post content and make it somewhat engaging. So this is probably the least engaging one of this year right now, I'll be honest. As you guys know, I'm in the car, we're not really doing much, but I want to work on making more creative content for you guys. Of course, I always say just comment below what you guys want to see. I do go off of your guys' suggestions, and this year I'm going to try and work on, you know, investing more into my camera, investing more into equipment, basically. I want to get a new mic. Looks like Rode Mic came out with a new one. I have their micro. I used to use their, I already forgot the name, their shotgun mic. I forgot what it's called, the Video Mic Go or something. Yeah, I think that's what it is. But it had some issues. I kept noticing that in some of my videos there would be some static, so I swapped it back over to my old mic. This one just has a wider range. It's not very like condensed to like just me, so you will get like more noise with this mic. But I'm just trying to, like, you know, work on my equipment and like I said, make just content for you guys and enjoy this with the build. We're still obviously doing things more aesthetically than performance. Last year was a big performance year, and you know what, I'm gonna chill out on performance. As you guys already know, we've gone through quite a rough patch just with this, and I'm gonna chill on that. So aesthetics, wheels, that is a goal. My dream wheels are the C28 SLs, Rays of course, and you know, I don't get sponsored like crazy, guys. I don't make crazy money off of YouTube. Everything comes out of my pocket, and wheels are definitely, you know, I love these gold wheels and they've got me through, but as you guys know, I mean, I definitely need some real wheels for this car. So raise, that's a goal, is to get my E28 SLs. Carbon fiber hood, I've been very debatable on that. There is one that I've been looking out for that's like, I'll pop a picture here. This one's like, it's like a Type R hood, I believe, and I can retrofit it on my SI, but I just love how there's like a dual vent system. Like there's a 2 on the side and there's the 1 in the center, and I can retrofit it. I just don't know how I feel about the carbon fiber hood idea yet, because it is less weight, but like when you, on these cars, when you put on the hood, there's like that still, especially since my car's silver, there's a section that, you know, I have to paint it black in order to really kind of blend better. But I mean, I don't know, it's kind of out of the limb right now. Carbon fiber bits and pieces here. You know, carbon fiber is a big thing. Everybody likes carbon fiber. I don't know, I was thinking about the Sibon wide body kit, but like, I don't know, I think I'm gonna take a step back from that, because I don't really have to, I don't know, I don't want to go into that route yet. I don't even know if that's the route I want to go into. I chose at first to try and go into it because of the fact that it was like different, and I've never seen anybody with the Sibon wide body kit yet. But now, overlooking it, I feel like I'm just kind of jumping the gun to it, and I should wait until I see what else is out there. Other than that, you guys already know. Actually, I really want to change these seats. I want to find a way to change these seats, but still utilize my heated seats. I don't want to lose my heated seats. The SI seats are actually just good as is, but I mean, I definitely still want some brides or something, but I don't want to lose the factor of heated seats. Like, man, those are like, that's the epitome of like, whenever I get in this car and like, if I'm having like a cold day to the start, you know, heated seats, the go-to. It's definitely the go-to. But I don't know, I gotta look it up and see like if I can retro it out, and we'll kind of figure out along the way. More creative things in mind. Okay, so like my girl and I, we just moved. You guys already know we just moved. I've been very tech savvy. Like, I'm looking at like LEDs and like putting it, well, I've already mounted our TV on the wall. I gotta show you guys like our room, but I'm trying to get like very tech savvy with it, and I've seen like all kinds of LEDs. I'm addicted to LEDs right now in a bedroom, not in my car. But I don't know, I just want, if you guys want to see like stuff outside the car, like also in my life, let me know, because I'm down to work on that stuff too. But yeah, 2020 just is a rough start. I had the flu, we were sick. We're diving in now. I'm trying to get to every single Wednesday for you guys, and I really want to learn or lean into making more content, aside from just Wednesdays, but I don't want to overwhelm myself with content. So again, quality over quantity, and I'm going to work on that for you guys. You know, you guys have supported this channel so much, and I think right now we're at 8,900 subscribers. So it's been huge. Last year I had this car for 3 months, and we've gained so much. And this year I'm planning to have this car the entire year, not in the shop, and see where this channel heads from there. Now that I got a car, we can make content better, you know, this and that. And the goal so far, you know, I used to do this in previous videos, you know, hey, if we reach 300 guys, come on, 400, 500. Well, we've come a long way from that now, and we're at 8.9K. And so guys, my goal, or one, obviously 9K is right around the corner, but my goal is to get to 10K. 10K was always like, I had it on my vision board. It was like a dream to one day hit there, and to think that I'm about 1,100 subscribers away from it is it's pretty surreal, to be honest. Like, I can't believe this channel has gotten to the point where it's at now, and has the supporters that it has now, and you know, even this car where it's at now. I never thought in my life I would have built an engine, or rebuilt a trans, or just get to the power that we're at now. But Again, we are so close to 10K. The biggest goal of all time, of course, is 100,000 subscribers. If we ever hit 100,000, by golly, this hopefully YouTube's full-time. You know, we're modding cars. That's the goal. You know, S2000 is in the next project. That's in my head. I'm solid about it. Like, I need an S2000 in my life. But 10,000, let's at least start off with that. So guys, we are, like, again, 1,100 away from it. I would appreciate the support. You know, share out the videos, let your friends know. And if we can reach 10,000, I am truly grateful. And you know what, we'll do a giveaway. Well, I don't know what we're gonna give away, but I'll think about it along the way when we get close to it. But 10,000 is a goal. 10,000, that's an even number. That is for 2020, man. 10,000 subscribers. Jeez. We'll do a giveaway. Don't know what I'm giving away yet, but I'll think about it. You know, go ahead and give me some suggestions. No crazy suggestions. I ain't rich. All right, we barely making it. Barely. Just kidding. But yeah, just let me know, guys, and help me, you know, reach that goal of 10,000. I don't know what else I really want to say. I think that's really it. 2020, just 2020 everything. You know, 2020 Supra maybe. No, I'm just playing. I don't know. Maybe. I'm just playing. But let's make this year a great year, guys. You know, again, I appreciate all the support you guys have given me from day one to now, and to see the channel still progress and still hold its value means a lot to me. And you know, I can't lose this motivation. You guys are way too contagious with this stuff, and it's truly like, I've never thought I'd be in this place in my life where, like, I'm happy. Like, I'm serious. Like, this is I'm doing this all for the memories. And you know, one day I'm gonna look back at this and I'm gonna reminisce, and I'm gonna believe that, you know, we're gonna go with this channel and keep going, and you know, we'll be so far in the future and things are just gonna change, and I'll be able to look back at videos like this and just be like, dang, and that's where it started. So again, thank you guys. I will see you guys next week. I know I'm sorry for the less entertaining video, but this is more of just an explanation. 2020, of course, I gotta start it off. I gotta explain to you guys what's gonna be happening, what content to expect. So stick with it, guys. I love you guys all. As always, guys, keep grinding, stay humble, and you already know, fam. Yeah, that. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.